Labeling genetically modified foods. My name is Amanda Schroeder, and I study environmental science at Oregon State University. I am an avid gardener, and I am a beekeeper. I used to be anti-GMO, but now, case depending, I am pro-GMO. Here you see a map showing countries that require labeling. You see over here we have US and Canada that do not require labeling, and over here in green you have over 50 countries that there is significant restrictions or outright bans on labeling or just bans in general. Consumers have the right to know what is in their food. Although there is currently no GE products in the market that put animal genes into vegetables or grains, it is a possibility in the future. At the same time, I feel that the farmers have the right to state whether or not their crops are genetically engineered. Some farmers are against growing GMOs, so why take their pride away? This is a chart showing some of the regulations that the UK follows. As you can see, there's a lot of labeling that is required, yet for animals fed from GM grain, it is not required. As well as food produced with the help of a GM enzyme such as cheese, bakery products, that's not required either. Here are some examples of voluntary labeling under proposed FDA guidelines. For example, the word on the label, "We do not use ingredients producing biotechnology." FDA comments that this is okay. Another one would be that this cantaloupe is not genetically engineered. FDA believes that this is misleading, mostly because it implies that all the other cantaloupes being sold are genetically engineered, and currently there are none cantaloupes that are being engineered. Another good one would be that this product contains hyaluronic acid soybean oil from soybeans developed using biotechnology to decrease the amount of saturated fats. I actually think that this is a great idea. This is another way to educate the consumers about why some of these genetic modifications are happening. My main suggestions for going on and trying to get these things labeled is that people do have a right to know what's in their food. On the other side, I understand that it can possibly stop people from buying it, but I think that Monsanto has the right to go out and educate people the way I was educated to change my opinion. Monsanto spends millions of dollars each year on lobbying, advertising, and research. I think that they can put some of that into community outreach and even friendlier business practices. They are not known for their positive business practices. Be proud. Label GMOs.